How's it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you some of the lesser known hidden settings found on your Samsung devices that many of you may have missed. All these settings will surely bring quality of life improvements and will definitely come in handy in your day-to-day life. Guys, I'm sure you learned something new and useful in this video, so make sure you watch it until the very end. Also, let's aim for at least 1000 likes on this one. With that said, drop a like, leave a comment, and let's get started. Alright guys, first things first, let me show you one simple trick that will help you to save your phone's battery. When we want to close applications that are running in the background, what we usually do is, we just go to the recent apps menu and swipe over the applications one by one. But this is not going to help you to save your phone's battery. In fact, this might consume more resources and battery every time when you reopen that specific application. Now let me show you the right way to free up some space and extend your battery life. Instead of swiping over all the applications that you see in the background, you can just tap on this tiny circle located at the top right. This basically shows the number of apps that are actually running in the background and burning the battery life. So when you tap on it, it will show you the list of apps and services that are active and running in the background. As you can see, I've got the Registar module and the KWGT widget that are constantly running and draining the battery of my phone. If I don't need this running in the background, all I have to do is just click on stop and it will completely close that specific application. I'm sure a lot of you might not even notice this little circle which is present in the task manager, but I think this is the easiest way to find applications that are draining the battery on your Samsung phone. Whenever you want to edit photos in the gallery app, you just tap on this edit icon and here you get a lot of editing tools including some AI features that will help you to edit your pictures in a much easier way. But did you know there are some more hidden features that cannot be accessed from this editing menu? For example, let's say if I want to add colors to this black and white picture, I do not get any option when I tap on this edit button. But if I just swipe over that picture, here I get some more interesting features including the colorize option that will instantly add colors to your black and white images with the help of AI. You actually get a different set of tools for different pictures, and these are suggestions made by AI based on the requirement for that specific picture. Not only does it have the colorize feature, but you also get the background blur option, remaster feature, and there is also this live effect which Samsung recently added with the latest One UI 6.1. So these are a couple of editing features that you can only access by swiping up on the pictures. These editing options cannot be found under the editing tab. So I will highly suggest you to swipe and get these useful suggestions whenever you want to edit any of your pictures inside the Samsung gallery. Samsung has disabled one really important setting on your phone that you may want to enable right now. If you go into settings, select notifications and then go inside advanced settings, scroll all the way down and here you will find this option that says manage notification categories for each app. This particular setting needs to be enabled on your phone so that the notification category option will appear on every single app you have installed on your phone. Once you have enabled, now if you go into app notifications, let's say for example, I'll just open Instagram. Here you can see we have got this option called notification categories. Once you go inside, you can decide what categories of notifications you want to receive from this specific app. Since it's the Instagram, you can choose whether you want to disable notifications for any friend request, likes or comments on your post. So it's totally up to you. Instead of completely disabling the notifications, you can just hide notifications for a specific set of categories. This option will only show up if you enable the manage categories toggle inside the advanced settings. Nowadays, smartphone can record 4K or even up to 8K video resolutions. But the problem is when you record videos in higher resolution, it becomes quite challenging to share those videos to your friends on WhatsApp or any other social platform. In situations like this, we install third-party apps from the Play Store just to downscale that video and share it through different platforms. But what if I tell you there is an inbuilt tool right inside your phone which can easily convert video formats for you? All you need to do is simply select any video from your gallery, now click on edit and tap on this three-dot menu. You need to select size and format. Here you can easily downgrade and convert a 4K video into 1080p or go all the way down to 720p as well. Not only this, you can also change the video codec as per your need. Now you don't have to install any third-party apps just to convert or downscale your videos. Did you know there is a really useful tool available right inside the Edge panel called Smart Select? This not only allows you to take partial screenshots, but you can also copy the text directly to your Notes application. You can extract text from any pictures, add an event or set reminders and do lot more. In order to access the Smart Select option, you need to enable the edge panels on your phone. So just go into Settings, select Display and then go inside Edge Panels. Make sure it is turned on. Now whenever you want to activate the Smart Select tool, just swipe from the edges of your screen and tap on the second icon. You can draw anywhere on the screen or select a particular portion to highlight that specific part. You can then download this part, add it to your notes, or even extract the text and paste it anywhere you want. You also get a couple of AI features within the Smart Select tool. Guys, this Smart Select tool has a lot to offer and you need to start using it on your Samsung Galaxy device. So that's pretty much it for this video. These are some really useful hidden settings that you should enable right now on your Samsung device. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I'll see you guys in the next one.